Guys, welcome to my channel. So I was here in the last episode breaking the obsidian. So let's break the obsidian. So obsidian, we should break 14 obsidians. So guys, be excited to. Oh man, there is a creeper. Bro, there is a creeper. I'm going to die. Yes. So guys, let's break the obsidian. So we have to be careful with the mobs and the lava. So guys, so in the last episode I mined for diamonds. So if you want to watch the video, so I'm going to be keeping down in the description. So guys, there was a creeper, so my heart is low, so I'm going to break obsidians and meet you there. So guys, I am here after mining for 10 obsidians. So 10 obsidians are enough to make the nether portal. So guys, let's make the nether portal. And in this episode, I am going to find food with the help of flint and steel. So let's go up building this. So guys, if you are liking this content, so please like the video. So I'm going to search the food for the next some days in Logicraft, of course. So for finding food, I have to find animals because the animals' meat is so much helpful in keeping your hunger. So if you want to keep your hunger up, so you have to kill the animals and take the meat. So I am going to make the nether portal. So I'm first going to make the shovel to find gravel and take flint out of it. So guys, let's search for flint. So guys, the gravel will be helpful always because the flint is useful to go into the nether portal, and we should keep the flint and steel. We should keep the flint and steel to the animals and beat them so we can get flint cooked food. So let's see if we can get flint. So yes, we have got the flint, guys. So the work is done. So let's go and make flint and steel and find some food for us. So guys, if you want the last episode's link, so I'll be giving in the description. So let's make the flint and steel and kill the cows and the animals and pigs, etc. So I'm going to make flint and steel with the help of iron. So I don't have iron, but I have cooked mutton here. So I'm going to mine for iron. So guys, I don't have iron to make flint and steel, so let's go and mine for them. So if you are getting bored, you can skip this mining session of finding iron. So let's go and find iron, guys. So I have mined for the iron, and let's melt it and make a flint and steel and make a nether portal and find us for some food. So let's go and smell them. So if this is a short process, if you want the long process, you can just kill the animals and smell them in the furnace. But this is a pro way to do it with the flint and steel and a sword. So let's make the flint and steel. So take the flint and steel and a sword in your hand. and let's go find some food for us. But why I'm finding the food? Because there are more food here than the animals, but also the animal food is good good enough than the wheat and the beetroot. So let's cook the animals food. The animals food give us more hunger bars, and let's kill it. So by killing like this, we get cooked food automatically by not smelting. So here guys, there is a cooked beef. So we can do this all day and get get the food items for next some days. So like this process, you can kill cows and take the steak out of it, which is the cooked beef. So we can get leather out of it and some other resources from the animals. So let's light up the pig. So we get pork chops from it. So like this we can do this all day and find some food. So guys, I am going to do this off the camera because it's so boring that you will get bored. So I'm swearing that I'll not do this in creative mode. So guys, I'll meet after some time. Sorry guys, so I was saying I'll meet you after some time. Guys, like this I have got some few food because it was so boring. So I will do this off camera. So now I am going to build the nether portal. So if you have only few nether portal, you can build like this with leaving the 4 places without obsidian. So guys, so in the next episode I am going into the nether portal because for this episode this is enough. So some of you are thinking why is lagging. So because it's gonna be very dangerous in the nether portal. So guys, in the next episode I am going to be going into the nether portal. So guys, if you like the content, please like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.